this is Franny, this is Miss Elza.
Hi, I'm Miss Elza Ritter and this is Franny. And we're gonna work now on all-in-one book A, page 40. Let's play, Franny. Ready, set, start. Good. Another song Franny is gonna practice on a page 42. Half notes, 2 beats, right? 4 beats, whole note, and going backwards, going back, and it is repeated 2 times, right? Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Yes, hold on 1 second. Mama will come in. Okay, ready, set, start. 2 beats. 1, 2 new songs. We're gonna ask Mama to take picture from the whiteboard of our train. We learned today something special with Franny. We learn more precisely time signature, right, Franny?
Yeah.
What was so special about this time signature? How many we learn? 2, 4, 3, 4, and
4 and 4.
4 and 4. Because Franny was clapping page 3 from Winning Rhythm, and she was doing all in a 4. So now she understands that we have 3 different time signatures. Where there's new ones? So strange, they disappear. They should be pink color, right? Okay, here it is. Also, we did some tests on this pink and green. You also can review. Also, we did learn 3 new notes, 3 new cards in the treble clef, which was what? A, B, and C. Okay. And these cards, Franny probably now can say, what is it, Franny?
So this like
They all together calls a time signature, right? And 2, 3, or 4 means 2 beats or 3 beats or 4 beats in one
train.
In the one cart of the train. But in the music we don't call it train, right? We call it, how we call this? Between lines. We call it a bar or a met. Mama's helping you. No, Mama, don't confuse us. It's not interval. We're learning measures or bars. Okay, it's about timing. Mama trying to help. Good job, Mama. Mama Irina. Okay, so it is calls a bar or a measure. And do you remember, Franny, what this number 4 means?
It means
I draw on a whiteboard for you the note for this 4.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's like.
So the 4 stands for a quarter note.
Yeah.
So it means one beat gets a quarter note. So yeah, she needs to redo the page 3 because she was like counting everything in the 4/4, but she did a good job. And now we also did something. Remember what we did, Franny? We put cards like this with the 3 new cards. And what we did?
And we played a song about that. We played a song.
We did not play. We sang.
Yeah,
I
we
played.
sang. Yeah, you play and I sing.
What did you sing?
I sing
It's your C, D, E,
C, D, E,
F,
F,
G,
G,
A, B, C,
C.
and after that, backwards, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? It's your C. C. Good job. Yeah. Okay. Let's read one more subject we learned. Franny, remember what was the subject? I played for you a little piece of Debussy about the story about the girl with beautiful hair. Remember?
Yeah.
Why? Why did I play for you?
Because I forgot.
Oh, come on. No, try to remember. It's important. Because you were not
I'm concentrating on my
assignment. Exactly. So you were playing the song and I went here to get something and you started to look at me instead of stay focused on stand up instead of your song. And I said it's so important for pianists to learn how to concentrate, right? Because now you're playing little songs, but you know how you're gonna play advanced, like beautiful songs. So I played for you a little part of this, and I think you understood why we need to stay focused all the time. Let me replay for you this. Okay. Okay. Bye everyone. This was Franny. I'm Miss Elza Ritter.